Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see yet another interesting and delicious dhaba and restaurant style paneer recipe, and it's Tawa Paneer, which is a delicious semi-dry paneer recipe prepared on an iron tawa. And friends, this paneer recipe is so good to enjoy with roti, naan and pulao. So let's get started with the making of this interesting and delicious Tawa Paneer recipe. And for this recipe, you will need 3 to 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic, or as per the quantity you are making. 1 large tomato which has been diced. Some chopped green chilies as per your spice level. 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, or you can use tomato puree as well. Some capsicum cut into small to medium portions like this. Then of course you will need cottage cheese or paneer cut into medium portions. And here I have taken 2 tablespoons of crumbled paneer, which will make our tawa paneer thick and creamy. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that we will heat some oil in an iron tawa. If you don't have a large tawa, you can use a pan or a wok also. And when the oil is hot enough, we will add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll let them crackle for a while. And now into this we will add the minced onion, ginger, garlic. On medium flame we will saute them well until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. And now at this stage we will add the diced tomatoes. On medium flame we will saute them for a while. I'll add now a little salt so that the tomatoes cook faster and they turn soft and mushy. And as the tomato starts to melt down, we will add the tomato ketchup. Alternatively, you can also add tomato puree. We'll mix this well and cook for another 1 minute on low flame. By now the onions and tomatoes are soft and are well cooked. At this stage we will add the chopped capsicum and the chopped chilies. And now on medium flame we will saute them for a few seconds. But remember not to overcook them, as we want to retain the crunch of the capsicum. We'll now season the veggies with a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or Zeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder for some spiciness. We'll mix this well. So the masala for our tawa paneer is almost ready. At this stage we will add the crumbled paneer and the paneer cubes. And now very gently we will mix the paneer well with the masala so that they are well combined. Also remember to keep the flame on low while stirring the paneer with the masala. I'll add now a splash of water so that the masala don't stick to the tawa. We'll mix this well one more time. And now we will create some space in the middle of the tawa like this. And in the center of the tawa goes a small cube of butter. We'll let the butter melt down. Next, into the melted butter goes some ginger cut into thin long strips, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for some color, some crushed Kasoori methi leaves as well as some chopped coriander leaves. We will now stir and mix this well along with the paneer and the masala so that the flavorful tadka is well combined. And this will make our tawa paneer, so very delicious to taste. We'll let this sizzle for a few seconds on the hot tawa. And friends, our tawa paneer is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our delicious dhaba style tawa paneer on the serving plate, which is best to enjoy with some roti, naan, jeera rice or pulao. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting paneer recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.